The best HDMI USB KVM switch selector provides seamless control of multiple computers or devices from a single keyboard, mouse, and display. Designed for efficiency, this KVM switch supports high-definition video resolutions up to 4K, ensuring a crisp, clear visual experience. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best HDMI USB KVM switch selectors you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The AV Access KVM switch dock is a premium dual monitor solution designed to simplify multitasking and enhance connectivity. Its innovative design features a USB-C input for laptops and 4 HDMI inputs for desktops and game consoles, enabling seamless switching between up to 3 devices while supporting dual monitor setups. Perfect for professionals and gamers alike, this KVM switch delivers exceptional video quality, offering up to 4K at 60 Hz and support for ultra-high refresh rates, like 1080p at 240 Hz or 2560 by 1440 at 140 Hz. This robust metal-constructed switch doubles as a docking station via its USB-C port, transmitting dual 4K UHD videos and data at speeds up to 5 gigabits per second while charging laptops with up to 65 watts power. It includes an adjacent LAN port to ensure stable internet access. Users can share peripherals like keyboards, printers, and high-power devices through its high-speed USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 ports. With automatic PC wake-up, EDID emulation, and fast 2 to 3 second switching via buttons, hotkeys, or the included IR remote, the AV Access KVM switch is both user-friendly and efficient. It's universally compatible, requiring no additional software. The Minisopuru KVM switch is an all-in-one solution for seamless switching between your laptop and desktop while sharing dual 4K at 60 HDMI displays. It combines a high-performance USB-C docking station and a KVM switch supporting 310 gigabits per second USB ports for hard drives, cameras, and printers, while also delivering 15 watts charging power for iPhones and iPads. Its versatile design includes an audio port and 2 USB 2.0 ports for keyboards and mice, ensuring effortless transitions between work and entertainment. The switch's EDID simulation guarantees smooth transitions in 2 to 3 seconds without rearranging windows, ideal for productivity and presentations. Its dual HDMI functionality supports stunning 4K resolution, making it perfect for high-definition video editing or gaming. With the included HDMI cables, the setup is simple, ensuring compatibility across devices. This KVM switch also includes 2 switching methods: a one-click desktop switcher or a button for flexibility and convenience. The AV Access Docking Station KVM is a powerful 12-in-1 solution for seamless multitasking and connectivity across 2 PCs. Its versatile design includes 3 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, a USB-C port, an SD card slot, a LAN port, Toslink audio output, a 3.5mm headset jack, and dual HDMI outputs. This docking station transforms your home setup into a powerhouse workstation while offering quick switching between work and gaming environments. The dual monitor KVM switch design enables rapid transitions between your laptop and desktop. It supports input through USB-C for your laptop and a combined HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-B connection for your desktop, ensuring maximum convenience for productivity and gaming. Experience outstanding visuals with HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.2, and 1.4A compliance, supporting stunning resolutions up to 4K at 60 Hz with vibrant 4x4x4 chroma. For gaming enthusiasts, it accommodates high refresh rates, including 1080p at 240Hz and 1440p at 140Hz, ensuring smooth gameplay. The MLEEDA dual monitor KVM switch is a versatile HDMI USB selector designed for seamless multitasking. With support for controlling two computers using a single keyboard, mouse, and up to two monitors, this device simplifies workspaces by enabling extended or mirrored display modes. In extended mode, enjoy distinct content on two screens, while the copy mode mirrors the same image across monitors. Its ultra-high-definition output supports 4K at 60 Hz, delivering crisp visuals, and is backward compatible with resolutions like 1440p and 1080p. To achieve 4K clarity, ensure HDMI 2.0 cables and compatible devices are used. The inclusion of 4 USB 2.0 ports allows effortless connection of peripherals like printers, hard drives, and keyboards, though compatibility with HD webcams and MacBook Pro may be limited. Plug-and-play functionality ensures compatibility with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux systems without requiring drivers. Switch between computers using the integrated button or the convenient desktop controller with LED indicators showing the active connection. The AV Access KVM Switch 2 is a robust device that facilitates seamless control of two PCs through dual monitors. Offering support for HDMI input, this KVM switch provides resolutions up to 4K at 60 Hz, ensuring crisp visuals. It operates in both extended and mirror modes, making it versatile for different workstation setups. The USB 3.0 hub enhances functionality, allowing users to access shared peripherals effortlessly. Designed for convenience, the AV Access KVM Switch 2 allows fast switching between systems either via a front button or keyboard hotkeys, ensuring minimal downtime. This device is particularly ideal for users who require efficient multitasking between two computers while maintaining high video quality. The Switch also includes a rack mount option for easy integration into existing setups. Measuring 9 by 5.6 by 1 inches, this KVM switch is compact and fits well within most workspaces. Its copper contact material ensures reliable connectivity. With an IP00 rating, it is not rated for water resistance but is durable for everyday use in office environments. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.